In this video, we're going to show you to install the taillight bulb socket on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located behind your taillight. Use a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen and remove the 2 screws. That is going to release this little flap right here. You're going to reach around the side here, grab the leading edge of the taillight and right here, and just wiggle this out. Ours is stuck in pretty good here, but there's a metal stud that goes into a plastic socket on the body itself. We're just trying to release that. Once that pops off, I'm going to come over here to our connector, and there's a red lock tab. I'm going to push that up using our pocket screwdriver. Usually it's a lot further down. But once that red lock tab is pushed all the way up, you want to press on this tab and disconnect the electrical connector. You might be able to use your pocket screwdriver when you press in on this tab to go ahead and work that off. Here we go. Separate the connector. Now on the back side of the taillight, you have 3 bulbs here. What we want to do is go ahead and loosen these here. So we're going to turn it counterclockwise. We're just using a pair of pliers here. Then grab that and pull that out. We're going to swap over our bulb. Now in doing this job, you want to make sure you're wearing some sort of gloves. You don't want to touch the bulb with your bare hands. The oils from your skin can affect the longevity of the bulb itself. Grab that bulb, gently wiggle it out. Grab the new socket, install the bulb, press that in. At this point here, you can take the unit. Now it is specific. There is a single metal tab on one side and 2 tabs on the other. You want to make sure when you install it that it's going to line up with the tabs on the taillight itself. Press it in. Grab your pliers. Twist it in and it'll lock into place. Install your taillight. Grab the connector. Line that up, push it all the way down. And once it's fully seated and clipped in, you want to push down on your red lock tab. You'll see that the red tab comes out on the bottom side. You'll know that it's locked into place. On the forward side, there is the ball stud that goes into the socket into the body. Line that up. Line up your taillight. And you want to gently push the taillight forward and into the body. You'll feel it and hear it pop into place. Let's install our 2 screws. I'm just going to get that screw started. I'm not going to secure it yet. Get the bottom screw started. Once we have both of these in, we'll go ahead and tighten them down. Snug that down. At this point here, if you have to replace any bulbs or the taillight on the passenger side, once you have your taillight secured, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.